Okay, question number 18 of the review. As I write this question, I'm thinking to myself, who is making this test that it's so redundant? And then I realized it was me. So anyway, you get a good lot of practice with questions that you should know how to do. So we have division of fractions, and we know never divide fractions. Always change it to multiplication and use the reciprocal of the second fraction. So before I even do any kind of mathematical process, I'm going to change that right there. Now I'm going to multiply the tops to get 180. I'm going to multiply the bottoms to get, well, 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 7 is 35. That's 135. So we have that, and I know I have to probably reduce it into lowest terms. Well, I know it's going to be at least 1, and I know that that's going to have, what, that's going to have 35, 45, 1/35. So we're looking pretty good there. Now I can employ logic here. Let's use some logic. Is this fraction more or less than a half? Now hopefully you all say it's less than a half, and since the only choices for answers that are greater than 1 are 1.5 or 1 1/3, hopefully you all realize that it can't be that because it would have to be half of that number there. So our answer is going to be 1 1/3. But let's just go through the process just to show that it works. Let's see. I'm going to divide by 5 because they both end in 5. That's going to give me 1 and 9. What's it going to be? It's going to have to be 27ths. And then I'm going to divide by 9 because I know that both of these are divisible by 9. I get it 1 and 1/3. And that's my answer, which is D, 1 1/3.